guys, Rowan here from Kayaking Australia. We're going to check out the Peak Paddle Sport Tourlite Hoodie today. It is probably one of our most popular paddle jackets for the recreational paddler or for your first paddling jacket. It's highly visible, it's got a good cut to it, it's got good movement. It's light, it's a medium light, breathable material. Now, breathable, still, it's good to have a zip to open up and let the heat out. It's also good to enclose on those cold days. We've got a nice hood here to protect from wind as well as the environment. We've got good little gaskets, hook and loop, pull tight to trap the heat in and keep a little bit of water out. Like at the waist, trap the heat in and keep a little bit of the water out. If it starts getting pretty exciting, we've got pockets, the bits and bobs that can be hard to access if you are wearing a PFD, personal flotation device, aka a life jacket. But in the whole, it's cheap, good cut, breathable. For your first paddling jacket, it's a no-brainer. Now team, get out there, enjoy the water. We do recommend you undertake training by an instructor to stay safe out there. We'll see you out there team. Any comments? Let us know. Are you wearing one? Let us know what you think.